In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip text in Microsoft Word. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to flip or mirror text in Microsoft Word using a text box and the 3D rotation settings. This technique is useful when you want to create a mirrored text effect for designs, labels, creative documents, or other projects where you need your text to appear reversed. To begin, open your Microsoft Word document and look at the ribbon at the top of the Word window. Select the Insert tab. This tab contains several options for adding different types of content to your document. From the Insert menu, look for the Text Box option and select it. A menu will appear with different text box choices. Choose the first option, which is the Simple Text Box. Once the text box appears in your document, you'll see some sample text inside it. Remove or delete this sample text. This gives you a clean space where you can enter the text that you want to flip or mirror. Before adding your text, you'll want to remove the visible border around the text box. With the text box selected, look at the formatting options at the top of Word and find the Shape Outline option. Select it and then choose No Outline. The border around the text box will now disappear, giving your mirrored text a cleaner appearance. The text box itself is still there, but its outline is no longer visible. Now enter the text that you want to flip inside the text box. You can type any words or phrases you need for your document. You can also adjust the size or position of the text box if necessary so that your text is properly aligned. Once your text has been placed inside the text box, you can apply the mirrored effect. First, click the downward arrow located on the right side of the Word Art Style section. This will open additional formatting options for your text. From the menu that appears, select 3D Rotation. This will provide you with different rotation settings that can change the orientation of your text. In the rotation settings, find the X rotation option. Change the X rotation value to 180 degrees. As soon as you apply this setting, the text will automatically flip and create a mirrored effect. You can now adjust the placement of the text box if needed to get the appearance you want. The mirrored text will remain inside the text box, allowing you to move it around your document while keeping the formatting intact. Using this method is a simple way to create flipped text directly in Microsoft Word. By combining a text box with the 3D rotation settings, you can quickly transform regular text into a mirrored design. And that's how you can flip or mirror text in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, and subscribe to the channel.